This work presents the first neural network controller for drone racing that generalizes across physically distinct quadcopters. We show that a single network trained with domain randomization can robustly control different quadcopters using only the current state to compute motor commands. The effectiveness of this controller is demonstrated through real-world tests on two substantially different platforms. We further compare the performance of this generalized controller with controllers specifically trained for the 3-inch and 5-inch drone, using their identified model parameters with varying levels of domain randomization. Although the generalized controller is slightly slower than the fine-tuned models, it excels in robustness across different platforms, a capability the fine-tuned models lack. Our results show that no randomization fails sim to real transfer, while increasing randomization improves robustness but reduces speed. Despite this trade-off, our findings highlight the potential of domain randomization for generalizing controllers, paving the way for universal AI controllers that can adapt to any platform.